Hi guys, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today I am showing you how to program the vertical activation button on the 36-inch tall California compliant unit to our opener. In the previous videos I showed you guys how to install and wire this unit, and today I'm going to show you how to program it. So tricky thing is with this button, in order to program, one of the requirements on the receiver is obviously to have power on it. But we also need to be able to activate the button. This button out of the box does not come ready to be pushed. So when I flip it over, you're gonna see that we have a couple of screws that it ships with. And these prevent the button from being pressed in shipping and draining the 3-volt battery contained inside. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna unscrew these, or loosen them up here, because we're programming this for a customer and then shipping it out. Get the correct one here. So I just backed it out part way because I gotta install them back before we ship this. So now you can see the button actually can depress. You can slightly hear it. It doesn't depress a whole lot like a normal push plate does, but it depresses. So one thing you'll notice with this receiver is this receiver recognizes its own stray signals. So when I give this button a press, you'll see it flash red. That doesn't mean it's learned. It means that it's recognizing there's a stray signal that it can learn. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to learn this with no delay. So we're going to hold this button here. That light is going to go solid red. Then I'm going to go ahead and give it a press over here. And you guys missed it, but there was the red light flashed twice over here, indicating that it learned. And now watch what's going to happen when I press the button, because it did learn. It's going to turn blue over here, indicating that it's giving an activation signal. So this button is programmed and it's good to go.